So you're into passive income and you've recently learned that people can actually own ATMs. So you want to learn a little bit more about the ATM business and you found your way here. Awesome. I'm excited because my name is Carey Buck and I have been an independent ATM business owner since 2009. And I've been teaching people just like you since 2011 how to start their own profitable and successful ATM business. Here on my channel, I talk about the ATM business a lot. It's one of the main things I talk about, right? I teach you the good, the bad, the ugly, expenses when it comes to the ATM business, income potential when it comes to the ATM business, putting ATMs in locations, putting ATMs at festivals and fairs. What are good locations? What are bad locations? What do you say to business owners? What do you say to a bank to get an account? Everything you can think of when it comes to the ATM business, I talk about on this channel. Here's one thing that I'll never do, though, on this channel. And this is really, really important. And this is my promise to you. I'm even going to pinky swear. I will never lie to you, BS you, or blow smoke up your rear end about this business or anything else. Why? Two reasons. Number one, it's just not me. That's just not how I roll, right? I'm a very upfront and honest person. Second reason, the ATM business is so awesome. The more you learn about it, you're going to realize this, but it's so awesome by itself. You don't need to inflate things. You don't need to fabricate things. It's amazing. As is, it's awesome. So I'm going to promise you, I will never BS you, right? You get my word on that. What I want you to do now, though, is I want you to subscribe to my channel, right? So you make sure you get all the videos whenever I post them. So click that right there. Click that little ATM right there, subscribe. And also, like a video. When you watch a video and you like it, hit the like button and let me know. If you have a question, comment, ask your question. I'm very active at responding back and giving you answers, all right? Another thing that's really important is if you have an idea for what you'd like my next video to be about, let me know. Put it in the comments. Who knows? Next time I make a video, it might be the video that you wanted me to make. And if you want me to make a video, chances are other people want me to make it too. So hang around, learn about the ATM business, and I will talk to you soon. May you live happily off of passive income.